From draping hot saris and daily soaps to the adventurous avatar, Pooja Gaur, exclusively on Bollywood Now. Congratulations for this achievement, and I am just wow.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank
How
you.
come?
Just like that. It just took me a second to say yes to this show because I wanted to do something adventurous and something challenging other than, I wanted to do something other than acting.
Right.
I wanted to get out of the comfort zone.
True. Okay.
So, yeah, what better platform than this show?
So how challenging it was, and how adventurous you think?
It is going to be very challenging and it is going to be very adventurous, and that's exactly what I'm looking forward to. Let's leave the rest to after once I come back from that experience. I'll be able to talk about it, more only after I come back.
Right. So all set to go to Cape Town.
Yes, all set.
Excited?
Yes, very excited.
Okay. Great competitors in the show and difficult tasks. So what is your biggest fear?
That someone else out of these contestants will win.
Okay.
Other than me. So yeah, that could be the biggest fear.
Right.
But actually, honestly, अगर मैं अभी सोचने जाऊँ तो I don't think so. There's anything in particular that I can point out and say that this is my biggest fear. I think I'll get to know it only when the task has been thrown at me.
Right. What is your biggest fear in the life? I mean, in real life.
Losing my loved ones. That's,
Okay.
I think, everyone's biggest fear.
So that's not gonna happen on this show for sure.
Yes, that's not going to
So
happen.
you're all charged in spirit, right?
Yes, I'm all charged
Okay.
up.
One message to all those audience who have always seen you in saris, doing, acting, little nakras on small screen, and now power pack Pooja. So drastic change.
Yes, but the audience wanted something different. They wanted me to see in a different show, doing something different other than just being a sari-clad bahu.
Right.
So this is whatever they wanted. I'm giving them that.
And must say you're looking absolutely hot in this hot pants. So
Thank you.
whistles.
Thank you.
Okay, lastly, one message to all the viewers: why they watch Pooja Gaur in KKK?
Because they love me.
They love
People love me. They loved me and they still love me and they want to see me more. So yeah, on special demand of the audience, I'm back and back with a bang.
Back with a bang.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pooja, for talking to us. It was a pleasure. All the best for the show. Well, this was Pooja Gaur in Mumbai with cameraman Puneet Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Pooja Gaur and keep watching Bollywood Now.